Welcome to this quick guide on setting up Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a powerful, open-source tool that allows you to write and execute code interactively. It's widely used for data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computing, making coding and documentation seamless in one environment. Let's get started. First, head over to Launch Knife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Knife, you can quickly sign up and get started. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on Marketplace. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications. Here, search for Notebook. Once you see Notebook, hover over it and click on View Details. Here, click on Deploy. Deploying this application will usually take less than 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, let's click on Open App to access.
Great.
Jupyter Notebook is now up and running. You can start writing code, exploring data, and creating interactive projects right away. It's a powerful tool for both beginners and experienced developers. Try it out, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.